Oh, we've got a little bit of a misty morning today. Need to get out and try this remote controlled lawnmower. It's good because it goes up and down hills real well. Can go under trees, or if I'm on my zero turn, it's kind of hard to go on the hills and underneath the trees. I want to show you this mower. I've got this zero turn Bobcat that's got a 52-inch deck on it. And I've got this 42-inch deck on this John Deere. And I've got another John Deere tractor. That's the belly mower. But this is the one I wanted to show. This is a remote controlled lawnmower. But I'll tell you what I like about this. First of all, it's all electric. This thing will go, I've had this thing go for hours. It'll do acres, okay? It is a 42-inch deck on there, and it's not meant for finish mowing. It's meant for like going through a field and, you know, just cutting down tall grass and stuff like that, small bushes. And it's 4-wheel drive. And so it'll go places like I can get that under trees where I can't go with the zero turn, on hills where I can't go with my tractor and stuff. So I thought maybe I'd just take this out and demo it a little bit. Okay, and so here I wanted to show, you can see the deck portion right down there, and I can control that by this thing right here. I did this area right in through here with my zero turn, but I couldn't get any closer to those blackberries. These are blackberry bushes, and they're all, you know, they're stickery, but they're very good. Let's see here. I'll eat. I just switched around to the other side of this bush. You can see it's like a little tank. I like to push right into the bushes. It kind of helps get rid of some of the old dead stuff that's down underneath there. And right down here, I cannot mow with my zero turn tractor or anything. That I'm on right here about a year ago, and the guy that was on it, had it before me, tipped his tractor out there more than once. And I know because my other neighbor told me that he had to come out here and help him right his tractor more than once. All right, here's underneath of that mower. And what I wanted to point out are these blades. They're very simple blades, and that's probably a good thing. So when you need to change the blades, it's just this little piece right here bolts on here. And the thing that the thing about these is these articulate, or they swing. And so when this mower is going full bore, if these blades start off like this, once it gets up to speed, the blades go out all the way. That way, if it comes around and it hits something really big and ugly, a rock or whatever, the blade can go like that, right? And when it does that, it can sort of like saw through things, because you can go through it and this thing hits it, the other one comes around, it hits it. Now, so you need to make sure that these blades can articulate like this before you go out and go mowing, because you can get a bunch of junk in here that keeps these things from moving, okay? So for a little bit, for a whole maybe day, you know, I noticed, cause I was out mowing with this thing, and I noticed that when I increased the RPMs to mow, something was really vibrating, right? And what it was one of these blades was stuck, and it was kind of stuck in like this position because it had so much crap that had caked in here. It just got stuck and it wouldn't move. And what that did is that threw this thing off balance, so that when the speed got up too high, the blade was sort of causing the shaft to wobble. And so that's not good. So before you go out mowing, you got to make sure that these things are moving. And right now they're a little bit, they've been mowing all day long and they're a little bit caked in. What I do is I get the, I usually just take them off. It's really easy. It's just a bolt right here. And then get like a screwdriver or whatever and just sort of clean it out, hit it with a little WD-40, and then it can just sort of swing like a pendulum. Okay, so that's the blades. Okay, as long as I got this up, and I don't recommend anybody do this, might as well just sort of see these blades in action. Yeah, this is not OSHA approved. You go on. Okay, I'm standing back